Keandra and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my shopping experience in the Louis Vuitton store in France. Yes, I did it, you guys. I finally bought my first luxury bag from the Louis Vuitton store in France. So let's get straight into the video. So I purchased my Louis Vuitton items in Monaco. We went to visit the Monte Carlo, and as soon as we walked out the store, there was this huge Louis Vuitton store. Like, I'm just like imagining it, you guys, because I had the best trip ever. But anyways, it was a large Louis Vuitton store, and we went over there, walked in. The rest is history. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So the first item I got was a little wallet. I did not plan on buying this, but I got suckered into having a wallet to match the bag, even though I'm like obsessed with card cases. So this is what the wallet looks like. This is the box, I mean. Everything comes with a duster bag. So here's a little duster bag. Here's the wallet. I have not used this wallet, by the way. It still has a little plastic on it. Just gonna open it up. Super cute. Did I need this? No. Did I buy it? Yes. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box. Now on to the SPEEDY 25 monogram bag. Here's the box. Here's the duster bag. Oop, wrong way. Everything comes with a duster bag. Here's the bag. So they told me that I could like fold the bag. They showed me how to do it. It's kind of like stuck. That's why it's so wrinkled, but you fold the bag. Just gonna open it up for you guys. So everything comes with a duster bag, even the little lock. So here's a lock. The keys are in here somewhere. I just can't get them out. Jeez. Oh, this side. Here's the little keys. I was gonna make this into a necklace because I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it was super cute, but I guess you're supposed to like lock your bag up. Here's what the inside of the bag looks like. So when I came back, I did go to the Louis Vuitton store in Rodeo Drive and I got the purse hot stamp. And it took like a day. So I thought that was super cute. So that is the bag. So let me tell you guys about this box. I carried this box all over France because we bought it a day before we were leaving and the box couldn't fit in my backpack. The wallet could, so I was fine with that, but this box will not fit anywhere. I only took a carry-on suitcase because we were going all over France, but I had to carry this box everywhere and I was holding on to it for dear life because you guys know in France there's a lot of like signs that says watch for pickpocketers, and I'm like, what? So yeah, I had to carry this box all around. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to hit me up on any of my social platforms. I'll link everything below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.